pause for a moment. What if I told you that you could create anime, manga, and even animated videos without being an artist, without having technical skills, and without spending endless hours inside complex software? Would you believe it? Today, artificial intelligence is no longer just a helping tool. It has become a true creative partner. And among the platforms that have genuinely changed the rules of the game, Anifun AI stands out. In this video, I'll take you on a complete tour inside Anifun AI, where we'll discover how a single platform can transform any idea, image, or imagination into anime, manga, or professional animated videos in just a matter of minutes. Anifun AI is an AI-powered platform specifically designed for anime lovers, manga enthusiasts, and creative content creators. Its mission is clear: to make anime creation and visual storytelling accessible to everyone, without requiring drawing skills or advanced technical experience. Everything is built around a simple, fast, and user-friendly interface, designed first for everyday users and powerful enough for professionals. Now let's dive into what truly defines Anifun AI. 5 core features that form the heart of the platform. The first and most powerful feature, the feature in Anifun AI is the AI anime art generator. All you need to do is write a simple description of a character or a scene, choose a style or artistic direction, then hit generate. Within seconds, you receive a high-quality anime image with rich details, balanced colors, and expressive visuals that closely resemble professional anime artwork. This feature is perfect for character designs, content covers, profile images, or even building an entire fictional world from scratch. The second feature in Anifun AI is the photo-to-anime converter. Do you have a photo of yourself, a friend, or even an old picture? With this tool, you can transform any real photo into an anime-style version while preserving facial features and identity. This is not just a filter. It's an intelligent redraw in anime style that looks handcrafted and authentic. Ideal for content creators, personalized GIFs, and eye-catching social media posts. Now we move into a whole new level of creativity. Anifun AI provides an advanced AI manga generator that allows you to create manga scenes effortlessly. Whether you are a storyteller, a character designer, or someone dreaming of creating their own manga, this tool enables you to transform written ideas and scripts into illustrated manga-style panels without manual drawing. It's a real opportunity to turn written stories into visual narratives. One of the most impressive features of Anifun AI is the AI anime video generator. Yes, fully animated anime-style videos powered by artificial intelligence. This feature opens the door to creative video clips, short-form content for social media, animated story scenes, all without a production team or complex editing software. A truly revolutionary tool, especially for creators who want to stand out with a unique and expressive visual identity. The final feature, but certainly not the least, is focused on fun, creativity, and practicality. With Anifun AI, you can create adorable chibi stickers or transform anime characters into realistic versions. These tools are perfect for stickers, chat applications, creative projects, and even branding purposes. Anifun AI doesn't focus solely on artistic creation, but also on everyday practical use. Anifun AI is ideal for content creators, anime fans, writers, artists, and anyone who has an idea and wants to turn it into an image or a video. In a world where creativity is moving faster than ever, Anifun AI gives you the tools to be part of this transformation. If you're looking for a platform that combines simplicity, power, and innovation, then Anifun AI is definitely worth trying.